Hello everyone, my name is Hendrik Wilayat. I come from Cianjur, to be precise in south of Cianjur. There are so many tourist attractions in the southern Cianjur. Of example beach, there are lots of beach in southern Cianjur such as Jayanti Beach, Serek Beach, Karangpotong Beach, and Lugina Beach. Not only the beach, in the southern Cianjur there are also waterfall, through such as Citambur Waterfall, Cicalobak Waterfall, and many more. So, who is interested in having a vacation to Cianjur? Please comment. Thank you.